The brazenness of criminals in today's society is just overwhelming to me. I've been doing this for 37 years, and in 37 years I would have never ever thought that somebody would have come in armed with some type of a weapon and assaulted our police officer. Been able to talk to the suspect at this point. Just so you know, the suspect who was shot multiple times is actually in stable condition at a local trauma center. So we're hoping that through our investigation that we'll actually determine what the motive is.